Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So I'm actually here in Perdido, Florida right now, enjoying the beach and a vacation, but we actually have a guest from Japan that lives right down the street from the company that makes the Tokyo treat. But they're gonna take over my channel because there's too many of us and it's gonna be loud, so have fun. I'm gonna sneak out of here. They can introduce themselves and
we're gonna take over.
Enjoy all these treats.
Yeah! Okay, oh wait, should we wait? Okay.
Unbox it.
Hindi ba papakilala?
Okay, introduce yourself.
Alright, so this Paige, and it's her twin sister Lana. Hi. And this one is Michelle. Hi. And this one is Mario. And then this one is Tita Chisa, and she's from Japan. Okay, should we start now? Okay, who's gonna hold this? Alright, I'm gonna hold it. Show it. Alright, so that's what it look like, okay.
Fruity Ninjas.
So this month's theme is Fruity Ninjas.
Fruity Ninjas. Alright. Who's gonna grab it? Okay, just grab anything. Okay.
And then she's gonna read out what
I'm
it
just
is.
gonna read it.
Okay.
The first one is called Chimi Corn Share Pack. Or should Tita? No, Tita should read it.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Chimi Choco Corn.
She's from Japan.
Choco Corn.
Alright, let's taste it. Okay, let's open it.
What is it?
What is it?
Chocolate.
So yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate bread?
I don't know. Okay.
Is it
That
good?
tastes good.
It tastes good. Did you already taste it?
Yeah. It's like a cookie.
She's from Japan. She's had
It basically looks like this. It's
Yeah, star.
chocolate sauce. It's amazing.
Mhm.
Tastes like a cookie.
Alright, next one. Go grab one,
Oh, this
please.
is good.
Pick one.
Okay.
Cookie.
What's that one?
Cookie.
What flavor? What is it?
It looks like it's lemon. Because there's lemons on it. Can you pronounce it as Pocky? It's not Pocky?
So apparently this month, one of the items, they weren't able to include it in the box, I believe, so I think they put the Pocky instead.
Yeah, but I think it's in lemon flavor.
So open it.
Okay, open it.
That's probably why it's not on that sheet.
Hey.
Oh, it's cute.
Oh, yeah. It has 3 packets inside. Okay, let's taste it.
Whoops.
Yeah, it got melted inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's one of the things, all the treats end up coming melted because of all the shipping.
Okay, I'm just gonna taste it. Okay.
It's so good. It's like
Tastes like a lemon bar.
$30 a month,
Yeah,
I
it
believe.
tastes like a lemon bar. I'm gonna taste it. Right here.
Is it good?
Right here.
I don't want to open it.
Alright, pick another one.
Take it out with the mama.
Alright, pick another one. It's good. It is good. Okay, what is it?
Coca-Cola
Clear
Clear.
What is it? What is it called?
Coca-Cola Clear.
Coca-Cola Clear, yeah. Okay.
Wait, don't they have it in America too?
No,
They don't?
no, you do not have clear Coke in America.
Interesting.
Oh,
Oh, it smells like a regular Coke.
Supposedly regular Coke, but clear.
Clear. Yeah. Why did it?
Thank you.
I don't know.
Where's the one with cheese on? Did she take it? Where's the one that you
The one month they made one, it was grape. It was amazing.
take one together?
Kind of. It just tastes like carbonated water.
Yeah.
It has a weird aftertaste.
Yeah.
Or just like it's just like Coke watered down, like a lot.
Yeah, that's not. No, that's not
Try
true.
it.
It's like weird.
But it smells like Coke.
Yeah, it smells
Yeah, it
like
smells like
Coke.
Coke.
But then it tastes like what's
Weird.
watered down. It's just like really watered down Coke.
So that's not.
Okay, next
Yeah, that's a
one.
thumbs down.
Michelle, go pick the new one. Okay, that one.
칩스타 세토우치 레몬 마지.
It sounds like anime.
I'm just reading it. The lemon
Oh,
flavor.
so it's in the thing.
What are these?
So there's in the bottle.
Lemon flavor.
It's lemon flavor.
Yeah. It's like a lemon. So chips that taste like lemon.
Chips.
Any scissors.
There's like a thing.
Oh, like Pringles.
But wait, what's the flavor? Lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah. Huh?
Yes.
Fruity. Yeah.
Japan has weird flavors. That's
Oh.
why I like this
know.
box.
It tastes like a regular.
The packaging smells like a
doesn't
regular
taste
Pringle.
lemon.
It smells like a regular chip.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Do you taste lemon?
No.
No.
Yeah,
There's
there's
some
nothing
kind of
special with
vinegar
it.
or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Just tastes like a Pringle with like lemon.
Yeah, yeah,
on it. Like,
Like almost like lemon vinegar.
All right, next one. This one.
Caramel cone. Choco-mint aji. I think this is a new one. I never seen it before. Choco-mint.
All right, let's open it. She doesn't need to read like the thing.
No,
They have to say it.
yeah, she knows.
Have you guys ever tried the regular one?
no.
I think we did.
The red
the
box.
red one.
Yeah, the red one.
red
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Did you like it?
It's fine.
Is it chocolate?
Okay.
Mint?
It's chocolate mint.
Oh, it's like
It smells good.
What's that?
it's like Pirates
she's from
Booty
Japan
in
too, Lola.
America.
It's interesting. It's from Japan?
Yeah.
Oishii? Oishii.
Also from Japan.
It's okay.
I think regular one.
I can't get over this.
This is Natalie's mom, by the way.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, the next one is.
Go mom, six
Go
one.
back. Okay, what's this one?
Oh, that is これは何書いた？メロンパン。
Oh, they started talking Japanese.
メロンパンクッキー。Cookie melon pan
Melon.
from Japan.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, this is
Everything is from Japan.
Okay, yeah, we should open it. What is
Open
it
it.
called?
That's melon pan cookie. Melon pan cookie.
Melon pan cookie. Okay.
Melon,
Oh,
have-
it's
have-
in like
have
that
melon.
Ah, so it's
Oh.
Alright.
Got a packet.
Okay.
It smells good. It smells like melon. Alright.
Are the different packaging different?
Yeah,
flavors?
there's
All
two
the same?
different.
Wait.
There's this one and this one.
Okay.
I have this one.
Just like
Is this like cantaloupe?
so
Yeah, it smells like
Yeah,
cantaloupe.
Yeah, melon kind of will be the same thing.
lemon soda.
Oh, it has like a little cream in it.
Oh, like
Yeah.
a float.
Is it
Oh,
different?
yeah, it's like that flavor, and the orange one is like.
Oh.
It tastes like a cream.
Because
There's a
this one is
cream.
the
It's like a
orange.
cream float.
Yeah. There's a little cream in here.
It is
So
good.
that's orange.
There's orange and cantaloupe.
Yeah.
Orange is a regular melon pan. Melon pan is like bread. Melon flavor. What is?
Alright, next one is. What's this?
Oh, that's like a.
Ramen.
What?
Say that
Yeah,
again?
Hachimitsu ringo nondo ame.
Yeah. Why?
It's cool for us hearing
Okay.
a foreign language.
That's like for your throat. It's a candy, but also like.
Oh, remember we got one of these?
Yeah. Oh god, and it was so bad. It was like a tea.
See?
There's one. It was like a tea.
Matcha.
Like a
matcha?
matcha tea like
But this
one.
honey.
But this one looks like an apple.
Probably that's not good for you to eat now because you're gonna
don't
be.
taste it now.
Yeah.
Just taste it later. No, just
You
taste it
should
later.
eat later.
Yeah, later.
Wait, why?
Oh, what's this
Because it's a
one?
candy.
Umaibo.
Every day you have to spit
Oh
it
yeah,
out.
Umaibo.
Oh, that's another
We hear
one.
this one like every month.
Every month
Like
it comes with a
stick.
different
But
Maibo.
what is it? What's the
What's the
flavor?
flavor?
What's the flavor?
Well, let her say it. It's awesome.
Cinnamon apple pie.
Cinnamon apple pie?
Cinnamon apple pie.
That's interesting.
By the way, it's really good. It's almost like a apple
You guys can
Balls.
share this. Mhm.
They're like
Got it.
Feel like cinnamon.
It's sort of cracker.
Is it like a strong cinnamon?
No, not really. You wanna taste it?
Mm.
I don't know.
Kinda, not really that.
it's like a Cheeto
That's what I
texture.
said.
It's good.
It's like a Cheeto.
He keeps like eating a lot. Let's just stop and then let's just finish
Yeah,
it.
another.
Okay, what's this one?
Cheese arare.
Cheese arara. Yeah. What's this?
It's a little cheese
flavor.
curl.
Oh. Ooh.
Like it?
Parang crope. Just like crope.
Don't they have like a Filipino?
Right?
Clovers?
It's
Like
a
clovers?
thing. Kinda. It tastes like clover.
Is
Okay.
that supposed to be cheese? Good.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste much like cheese.
Yeah.
Smells
This
like more
one. Okay, next one.
Cheese flavor.
What's this?
Banana man.
Banana mang.
Should be banana.
Not really much flavor to it.
No, there's not.
Huh.
I like taffy.
Have a bite.
Is it taffy? Oh, it looks like a banana. It's like a shoe.
Oh, there's a marshmallow.
Wow.
Interesting.
Does it taste like? Just
I
taste
don't
like.
bite on it.
How does it taste? Do you want it?
I don't like
Alright.
marshmallow.
I don't want to try it. Do you want to try it? Yeah, I don't want to try it either.
Okay. Tastes good though, right?
Commercial. Oreo.
That's
That's not Oreo,
all.
that's Otap. Oreo. Commercial. Okay, what's
The
the
next
next?
one. Oh no, we can do this one because I think we have to make this one.
What's
Yeah, that's
that?
the one that's one of the ones that you. It always comes with one of those that you have to build whatever it is.
Oh, what's this one?
그래브라 산다.
Oh,
Oreo Sanna.
alright, what's up in it?
Oh, it's a flavor of the Kit Kat.
Yeah, it looks like a Kit Kat. Like,
It looks like it, but
Oh, there's more?
Yeah, they didn't throw Kit Kats this month.
Yeah. That looks good. Tastes
That looks like
good.
crunch.
it tastes good.
Is it a bar?
There's like a taste with a strawberry and chocolate, and then
It's like a. What's it called? It's like the crunch bar.
Crunch
Yeah,
bar.
crunch.
alright, I'm just gonna say this. Tastes good. Alright, what's the last one? The last one is
From Disney.
초콜릿 바.
chocolate.
초콜릿 바.
Didn't you say Tsum Tsum?
Chocolate ba?
Chocolate bar.
Chocolate.
Ow!
That melted.
It tastes like Kit Kat. There's like a wafer inside.
I'm good.
That's
It is
everything.
good. And the last one is this one that we already.
Let Auntie Susan read it.
What's
that?
this one?
Make it
Tita
right.
Susan?
메론 마스. 너무쪼.
Numucho.
너무쪼 제리. Let's make it.
So you have to make that.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. Again, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe. What's your favorite part of the unboxing? Comment below.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. We have to say sayonara.
Sayonara.
1, 2, 3, go. Sayonara!